Welcome back, kids. Hope you are ready with your sketch, isn't? Now in this part we are going to see how to do the outlines of this fruit basket and also how to add colors. So let's start. First, I'm going to do the outlining of my sketch. Very slowly and carefully I cover all the pencil lines with the black sketch pen or the marker. This way, like this, I'm going to cover all my lines. I'm going very slowly and neatly so that my art looks beautiful. Like this way, we will color and sketch our fruit basket in this part. So kids, here I had finished with the black outline and now I'm going to add colors in the fruits. So first I'm going to fill in grapes, the purple color. Here I'm using crayons, wax crayons, and on it I will give the shading with the oil pastels crayon. Okay, you can use your sketch pens, pencils, colors, any. So this way, in the grapes I'm doing in a circular motion. Try to fill color in grapes in a circular way so that it looks like a grapes only. Like this. Now I will use the same shade of oil pastel. Okay, little effect like this. As you can see, I'm not filling it. I'm just putting a little of oil pastel, and then with our finger, the first finger, I'm going to blend it like this. You can use even cotton or a earbud for the same. So same, I'm doing in a circular motion. Now can you see the effect? After this, I'm going to do green color in the other grapes, as grapes are in green and purple color. So in that grapes I had put the purple, and here I'm going to fill it with the green, the light green shade. So same in a circular motion like this. So kids, here I'm done with the green color. Now the same technique, using the oil pastel shade, same green shade, and filling very light in a circular way. See, I'm putting very light in this, and then with the help of the finger or the earbud, the same technique, moving my finger in a circular way like this, in circular motion, so that it looks like a grapes having shade of little dark and little light. This way our grapes are both done. Now it's time to fill color in the mango. And for mango, what I'm going to do, I will fill first yellow and leave the top part to give the orange effect. Okay, so don't fill the whole fruit with the yellow, just leave a little in the top so that we can give the orange effect. Not much but less, like this. And then on the top I'm going to put little orange like this, and then again the same technique, little oil pastel, this, and same yellow. Now with the finger I will merge both the colors so that it looks like a mango. Earbud, I will clean it. I will slowly rub it on the places where the color is extra, and now my mango is all ready. After this, it's time to fill colors in the orange. Same way. So here my fruits are all done. I had put the red in this apple, and now it's time to fill colors in the leaf part. So here I'm using the again same light green shade, this, and once you are done with the green color, then again I'm going to pick oil pastel dark green shade and going to put little inside the leaves, and then the same technique, blending it with finger. So this way, so till here. Now in this part, the brown color here. After this, it's time to add colors in the basket, and for that I'm picking light blue, red here. Fill the petals with the yellow color. I will keep my bowl little light in color. I'm not going to put the vibrant shades. The reason behind that is, if you put the vibrant shades, the color of the fruits will not be look beautiful. And then in rest of the part, I'm going to give the shading with the brown color, not with the oil pastel but with the wax crayon. Simple, going very slowly so that it looks like it's blend well, like this in the whole bowl. Okay, as you can see, I'm giving very light pressure so the marks will not be visible, the strokes will not be visible, like this, covering whole of the basket. And once you are done with this, give little brown in the bottom part, and then with the help of the yellow, I'm going to give a little shading effect. This time also I'm going very slow. I'm not putting much pressure, leaving some of the places like this only and covering some parts here. So this way our fruit basket is all done. And as you see, this part is looking dull. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write I love KidsNagri here. Now is it looking pretty? See? And this special heart with the red shade. So kids, how is this basket is looking? I hope you had enjoyed with me. See you in the next video. Till then, keep creating your own fruit basket with your own favorite fruits. Bye-bye.